It is Monday, the 9th of March, 2026. We're going to be reviewing two different types of these window shields, rain guards, whatever you want to call them. This one is the Clim art. It is on the 2000 Chevrolet Express, and it is the type that goes into the window channel itself. Comes down the glass and goes right into the channel. And then that is Clim art, C-L-I-M-A-R-T. And then the other one is AVS. And you can see it mounts on the outside instead of in the window channel, and then comes down. Instead of coming down the window channel down through here, it comes on down the outside there. I like both of these. Both of them are about the price the same. $50 to $80 depending on the vehicle. These came on this van, this AVS, but they work. Both of them work very good. I bought these and put them on, but both of them work very good. So either one is your preference. The AVS uses a 3M sealant that goes right up there across that, and as you can tell, it stays very good. I was a little bit concerned about that. That's why I went with this inside of the channel mount, but both of them work very good. About the same price, very durable, hard plastic, so I can recommend either or both. So we'll get this uploaded, and we got to do a review on our Epic water filters as well. We got the pitcher in. We'll be doing a review of the pitcher and the Anywhere bottle, and have them in conjunction. Okay, that'll wrap this one up.